Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to discussing very important topic that is multi-threading. Multi-threading is Java. I have give you some examples also. So this is very important topic, guys. So this will be helpful. This video will be helpful to you for the interview and written examination also. So guys, let's go to the question here. uh, what is multi-threading in Java? First question here is, what is multi-threading in Java? So we can say the process of executing multiple threads simultaneously is known as multi-threading. Before multi-threading, we have to talk about threads, because the definition of multi-threading tells us that the process of executing multiple threads simultaneously. So what is threads? So here, first we have to know about thread. What is thread in Java? A thread is a lightweight, smallest part of a process that can run concurrently with the other parts or other threads of the same process. Second, threads are independent because they all have separate path of execution. That's the reason if an exception occurs in one thread, it doesn't affect the execution of other threads. Threads are lightweight subprocesses. So this is the definition of thread in simple way. A thread have many states. So here I am explaining what will be these states in thread. So there are thread states. A thread can be in one of the following states. Here, new state, runnable, blocked, waiting, timed waiting, terminated. These all are states of the thread. If you want to know about what is these states, then I have I can explain, but I want to save your time, so you can also read this explanation. Okay, so these all are the states of the thread. Next, creating a thread in Java. How to create a thread in Java? Before going to multi-threading, we have to know about how to create a thread inside a Java programming language. So there are two ways to creating a thread. First one is the by extending thread class. Thread is a by default class inside the Java. So by extending thread class is the first way, and second way by implementing runnable interface. This is the by default interface which is present inside the Java. So these are two ways to creating a thread in Java. First one, thread methods. Before going to explaining thread class or creating a thread in Java, I have to know about thread methods, because thread is a class, so it has various methods inside the thread class. So these are the all methods. First one, get name method. Second, get priority method, is alive, join method, run method, sleep method, start method. All description are given here. You can read this one also. Next, creation by extending thread class. So first way of creating thread is that by extending thread class. So I have to give you explanation. First example by creating a thread is that there is a program. So class student, this is the class name, extends thread. This will be extending which class? Thread class, by default class. Inside the body of the student class, public void run. This is the run method which is present inside the thread class. Inside the body of the run method, there is a system.out.println. This is the output statement, and inside the double quotes, I'm writing anything. I have anything we can take here. So I am taking my thread running. Okay. Next method is main method, which is present all the programs. So execution will start from here. Inside the body of the main method, we can create. We are creating here student object. Student means class name. Student obj is equal to new student. It means obj is the object of student class, and we are calling here obj dot start. Is what Start is the method inside the thread class, so we are calling start method. So the flow will go to the this start method, uh, give call to the run method, and inside the body of the run method there is a print statement that is my thread running, it will be printed. So flow is going to the likewise. First flow will going to the main method. Here is one object call start method internally call run method, and inside the body of run method there is a print statement and this will be printed. So output will be running my thread running. This is so this is the simple program by extending thread class. Next is thread creation by implementing runnable interface. This is the second way. So for example, here is class name employee implements a runnable interface. Inside the body of employee class, there is a run method and one print statement inside the run method. So what we have printed here, my thread is here. Next main method is also here. This is a compulsory, and we are creating one object of employee class and one object of class also, and we are calling from thread class object to start method. So start method is calling here, and internally methods give a call to run method, and inside the body of run method what is here, my thread is here. This is the print statement, so this will be printed. Output will be my thread is here. So this is the second way by implementing runnable interface. So guys, thank you to watching this video. If you like this video, then click on like button, subscribe this channel, and please click on bell icon also, so that you can get more notification. And if you have any query, so you can write on comment box. So please guys, share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you. Thank you again.